leaning so far back. I'm free.
He's jumping so high. Why are you leaning? He's trying to turn. Are you trying to chew the cord?
Oh, or turned it. Can sleep if you
Look
want
at
to
him
do
go. He's like, you're crazy. Hi, baby. Smile. Best money we ever spent.
Oh man.
Grandma's gonna freak with this video.
That's when he gets the roll on. Jump, jump, jump.
What are you doing? Don't break his neck.
Break his neck. Jump, 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 jump.
Like that was fun.
He'd get just high enough on his own.
I just made the spring close. That's all I did. I take a little bit of the weight off for him.
He needs the spring though. That's how he gets the bounce.
Push a little higher. We're gonna bounce.
Oh god.
Go baby, go! Go baby, go! Go! Here we go.
What is that?